Okay, in this lecture we're going to just learn how to open a worksheet and save that worksheet to a place where you'll remember where it is. So if you're not already in a worksheet like this, the first time you open up Excel, it will probably look like this. It's giving you choices to open various templates, or if you go right here to the very first item, you can open a blank workbook. So if you click on that, it'll bring up a brand new blank worksheet. And you can go right in here and you can just type hello. And there you have your first entry in your first cell of your first worksheet. And in the subsequent lectures, we're going to learn all about how to enter data into these cells, how to create formulas, to do calculations with it, and how to create an entire spreadsheet. But first, what you want to do is make sure that you save your file somewhere where you'll be able to find it. So you want to go up to File and Save As. And to keep things really simple for this lesson, I just want to show you how to save it right onto your computer. And this is giving you two great options. You can go into your documents, or you can save it right onto your desktop. And saving it into your documents is a great spot for it. And really, you'll find a place that you feel most comfortable keeping these. The important thing is that you know where that spot is and that you remember it. And so for the ultimate ease of use, I'm going to show you how to save it right onto your desktop. And from there you can move it into your documents. I actually have a file called My Documents. It just makes it very clear to me whose documents they are, and it helps me to remember which folder I'm looking for. Okay, I'm going to go into the desktop, and I'm going to go ahead and right click here, and I'm going to create a new folder. And you'll see it pops up a new folder right here, and it's asking me to name it. So I'm going to call this Excel Files. Click Enter. So now I have this new folder on my desktop, and I'm going to rename this My First Spreadsheet. And I'm going to click Enter. You'll see now up here the title of this file is My First Spreadsheet. And that's all that needs to be done. I've created my first Excel document and I've saved it onto my desktop as My First Spreadsheet. And now we're ready to get to work in Excel.